Hi everyone, and welcome to a iPhone themed tutorial of how to change your icons like these and also add widgets to your homepage. So what we're going to do is we're just going to scroll down on the screen and type in shortcuts. Click on it, and then in the top right hand corner you will see a plus. Click on that and scroll down to open app, and then click on this button and select which app you're going to be opening. Then click on the bottom, the eye icon, and add to home screen. And here you can change the photo that you want to use and then just select choose. And then don't forget to type in the name of the app and what you are going to be calling it. Alright, and then click add, and then it should show up on your home screen. Just hold it and edit and move it to where you want. And now we're going to add the widgets. So you are going to type in WidgetSmith, which you have to download on the Apple Store. And we already have a few, so we're just going to select this, and we are going to change the photo to another, and then click save after you are done. And it should say, okay, small 10. So we're going to go here, hold, edit, add widget, WidgetSmith, type that in, and then add widget, add the small one. It's number 10, so we'll click on it and then select small number 10. Exit, and then there you are. Thanks for watching.